Meaning of hectic.
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 Hectic. The word hectic is an adjective that describes a situation or activity that is characterized by a lot of excitement, confusion, or activity. It can also refer to someone who is very busy or has a lot to do. When something is described as hectic, it suggests that there is a lot of energy and movement involved. This can be positive or negative depending on the context. In general, hectic situations can be exhilarating but also stressful and overwhelming, so it's important to approach them with a calm and focused mindset to achieve the best results.